What actually is a True Colors workshop all about? Well, let's state the obvious. Everyone has a unique vibe and communicates differently. Different isn't bad. Actually, it's wonderful and necessary. But inherent differences in the way each of us interfaces with the world can lead to miscommunication and conflict. That means working together as a team, family, campus, or staff will be challenging at some point. True Colors helps individuals not only understand our own strengths and challenges, but also those of our teammates. This is a time-tested, research-based, user-friendly, temperament and personality typing program that addresses communication, learning, conflict, team building, diversity and inclusion, and collaboration. So who can benefit from True Colors? A True Colors assessment and workshop can be used in coaching individually, as a couple or family, or with business partners. We can do a small group workshop for a staff, an executive board, or a student organization. Or we can do a workshop for a larger group at maybe a team retreat, a staff onboarding, or nonprofit volunteers, or civic or religious organization membership. Are you ready to deepen your understanding of your innate characteristics? Do you want to create better human connection? Are you ready to actually have fun while learning about yourself and your team? Then get ready to let your true colors shine and find out what it means to be a green, blue, orange, or gold. Stay excellent.